so today on Is It Worth the Hype, I'm reviewing something that I have been personally dying to review since last year. My Dyson Airstrait just arrived and I can't wait to try it. Time to unbox. Are you ready? Guys, I don't think I've been this excited for an unboxing in a while. I have been waiting for this product for a very long time. There are like so many layers. And ta-da! Okay, so it looks really, really beautiful. I'm gonna put this box down, take everything out and show it to you. The first thing I've noticed is the plug. It's different and it has a testing mechanism if you follow the instructions and plug it in. The device is pretty sleek and looks beautiful. I've got the silver and gold combo, which is really, really nice. So this is the lock button. If you unlock this, this is how it works. And if you lock it, this works to dry your roots. So the first thing you want to do is obviously towel dry your hair, then dry your roots, and then use the machine with the settings here is what it says. I've read all the instructions, watched a few videos. Let's try it. So you can see the difference when you lock it. This is in like idle mode and this is like just gonna dry my roots with this quickly. I see hate through the pain, I see light in the rain. And we're just quickly sectioning the hair a bit. I'm just going to first try this on one little patch here so we can see how it works. Okay, this was just like 3 strokes and this is what we got. I am very impressed so far. Okay, so I'm gonna do my whole hair and you're gonna watch me doing it and let's see how it goes. Mama knows how to wake you up. 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 Okay, we're halfway there and I am pretty impressed. Like this has gone really easily, really fast. Even with the back, you can see it's done a great job. Wet to straight, you don't need a dryer and then a hair iron, and it's giving me like a really nice blowout kind of effect. And it's just really fast and easy to do with short hair, which I was not sure about because I've only seen people with long hair do it, but like even with my shortest bits like this bit, it was pretty easy and it looks great. So I'm very impressed so far. Just the last bit we have like the top layer and a bit of the side, and I think it's going well so far. What do you guys think? So if there's one thing I feel I've realized, it's the slower you go, the better, because it really gets the hair straight faster. Even if you're taking bigger sections, just go really slowly, like that. Okay, so I am almost done. I'm just going to go in with the cold shot option. This is similar to your other Dyson hair devices where they recommend ending with like a cold shot across the hair. But this in like 2 minutes is amazing. Like, I'm loving it. I am like blown away. Like, look at this. Like, this is like an amazing blowout. My hair feels soft. I love it. Okay, moment of truth. What are my actual thoughts on this beautiful product and is it worth the hype? Okay. So first impressions, I have to tell you guys, I'm absolutely blown away by what this has done with my hair. If you are a regular subscriber, you know that I have difficult hair and this is amazing. So I'll tell you a little story. Last year, I remember when the product first launched, not in India, but I saw it online and I was like, oh my God, this will be like life-changing for someone like me because I have to like dry my hair, then straighten my hair if I want to straighten my hair. And also with short hair, it tends to look a little like all over the place unless it's like slightly groomed like this. And I'm always looking for a quicker, easier fix. And for me, I saw this and I was like, okay, this is what I need. And it's finally launched in India. And I have to tell you guys that you know my hair and look at this. Just look at this. Love it. Okay, let's get into a few facts about the product. Price-wise, it is expensive, 45,900. And I know a lot of you are going to be like, oh my God, that's a lot. But hear me out. I'm a Dyson girl. I use a lot of their products. I've used a lot of their hair care products. I've used their dryers. In fact, my first Dyson hair dryer, which is in the other house, is about 7 or 8 years old, still going strong, and I still use it all the time. Their vacuum cleaners, I just really see value in the product. Now, there's a lot of science with each product. Like, I have never seen anything like this doing a wet to straight with like no heat damage. And it's just so seamless. Also, think about the money you will save going to a salon. Like, you're not going to go get a blowout all the time, right? Which makes it easier. So if you think of all those times where you can just shower or do your hair in like your quick, easy steps, literally all I did was towel dry my hair, dry the roots, once like snapping it together. And then after that, just do it section by section and the cold shot, and tada, I was done. And this was the first time I've used the product. So imagine if I do this every day with my kind of hair, I think it could be like a 10-minute routine and I'm good to go. No need for a salon, no need for any other hair care tools. So I think from that perspective, I see it as an investment and something that if you're going to use long term, it's definitely worth the price. In terms of the technology, now I love Dyson products because of the science behind them. And I become a little geeky because I like to watch those videos on how they develop it and all of those things. And of course, this one is all about airflow. So how this works is actually there's no hot plates. So like your normal hair iron, if I touch this, I would obviously burn my hands, right? Like here, even while it's on, I can put my hands through. Actually, let me show you guys. Nothing happens. There's no, like the heat damage is not that severe, and it's amazing that you have a heat product that you can tell that is not frying your hair, which is great. There are no hot plates. It's all just air. It's the direction of the air that's kind of making your hair straighter. And for someone like me that has thick, frizzy, difficult hair, it still did the job really, really fast, which is amazing. The other thing is the shine. Using lower temperature, they kind of reset the hair bonds when you do this with wet hair, and that gives you a shinier, glossier finish. And I definitely see that. Like if I were to dry this with my dryer, I feel like it wouldn't be as shiny. And I feel like that really makes the difference. So your hair feels really soft. There's a shine. It definitely feels healthier. It doesn't feel like, oh, I just, fried my hair and like there's so much heat going into my hair, which is the best part about this. I will give you guys some tips based on the 100 videos I've watched and my experience today. Go slowly, okay? No matter what the length of your hair is, actually just go really, really slowly with it. Then you probably just need like 2 swipes or 3 swipes and you're good to go. You won't really need to keep going back and forth with your hair. Take smaller sections. Obviously, if you want a more straighter approach, if you're in a rush and you just want to do like a quick fix, this works as well. For shorter hair, I think it's amazing as well. Like I feel like a lot of people always think of, oh, you have short hair, what do you need a product for your hair? Well, we also have to do our hair and style our hair, and I feel like for me this is going to be game changing. So in terms of the package, it's fairly simple. You get like a heat protector mat, you get the actual device. Obviously, my experience with the product is so far amazing, and I really feel like this is going to be a part of my everyday hair care routine, and I'm very happy about it. Now, coming to the most important question. Is it worth the hype? It totally is. Okay, so I was gifted this product. In all honesty, this came in as PR, but I would 100% go out and buy it because I just see so much value in it for someone like me that loves to dry their hair quickly and style it and not go to salons. I don't have the time to go and sit and get a blow dry and all of that. It is just so good. And also knowing that there's no heat damage, which is amazing. Like, because as someone that has drier, frizzier hair, I don't like to put a lot of heat onto my hair to damage it further. So definitely worth the hype. So guys, let me know in the comments if you've tried the product, if you're gonna get the product. What are your thoughts based on this? If you found the video helpful, give it a thumbs up and comment below. See you guys. Bye.